JLF Sports TV.
I agree. Pull up two. Yes! Back-to-back twos here for TNT. Samboy De Leon, then Jeremiah Gray adding on to the points as well. Finishes off the glass, just a 2-point lead here. Gray. Little runway, gets that tough look to go. Vosotros can answer back with two of his own. Pulled away to Gray and hard foul. But he gets the bucket anyway.
Showing strength also is Jeremiah Gray, keeping the ball alive. And you know that it's gonna be hard. I felt it. Ako nasaktan eh.
3:32 left. Pero sumabot naman si Gray. To Vosotros driving inside, kicks it out to wide open Gray. No. Gray again. Yes.
Wow, great confidence.
He'll try a two, and he gets the two. Gray. Yes. Wow.
Every time that he is underneath that basket, he converts. This guy can knock down that shot. Jeremiah Gray knocks down the triple. Looks good now for San Miguel Ala, Pilipinas. Domingo is listed at 6'3", 6'4", so that's 5 inches for you. Wyatt knocks down the three. 3 minutes remaining, which he hit his teammate in stride. Gray, the jumper is good. Jeremiah Gray. Brickman looking for some movement. Good curl by King. Great pass from Jeremiah Gray. Small defended by Lin Meng Shui. Mayo stolen away by Gray. Highlight Jeremiah Gray for the stuff. Elevating and dunking. Stolen away by San Miguel Ala, Pilipinas. King for a slam. For the board. 91-89. Gray. Big three. Bang! Bang! Bang!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.